Back again, last part. The last time I converted the first part of my printer head and yeah, I learned this word, ball bearings. It's the translation for Kugellager. Okay, so far so good. First, after disassembling the whole stuff, you have to first put this back. Why is so, and screw it down. Yeah, in the last video I have to loosen it a little bit. Okay, so this ready. Okay, I guess we are fine here. Yeah, I assembled the stepper engine. It's from the original printer head. These two I buy new because I take it from the old one, and here I take another one, but yeah, I will show you why I have to change the stepper engine at this 2 axis. Probably I will make a video why I have to do this. So okay, what you see here, it's one part of my construction. At every time you can download it with single it's mounted, and because I have to disassemble these parts here. Now it's a little bit measurements necessary. So first we measure these distance. In Germany measure in millimeters, not an inch. So 12 millimeters. Ooh, far away. Okay, yeah, I have to speed up a little bit. You have to measure twice. Now I'm fine with it. Okay. Now tension the belt with a screwdriver, if you have this much, but pay attention now. Do it. It's a good mod. What? Fuck. So okay, should work. So now in my video before show you how to have or why you have to switch the screw around so you can tension it with a sample screw. Now this is fixed, and yeah, when you have a good feeling about the belt, it should be okay. So we measured distances, this distance. You can also measure one edge and another edge, and it should be also fine to the bed. Yeah, you can do it at your own, as you like it. Okay, so far so good. Last part of this video will be to assemble this one of the last part. So here I already put on the motor, the opposite of the screw. Why you won't fit anymore? Here I speed up a little bit because it's really fiddly to get all the stuff screwed together. As you can see, after you're done with the printer head or diamond hot end, you adjust the 3D touch sensor to the right side of the diamond hot end holder, and you're already done. The last part you have to do is to measure the height of the left and right spindle. Yeah, then final setup works all fine together, and see all the great stuff like the wiring. It's a little bit messier, but no problem at all. Here's a little Excel board, and yeah, you see it works. And the first print. Yeah, just waiting. Crazy. There was some issue because first I tried to print only one color, and what's happening with diamond hot end, then you can see at the end of the video, yeah, there are little problem to it. And exactly this, if you wanted to print with only one filament, it will clog immediately the two other bores. And so you won't be able to print another color. This is exactly the same issues you got if you print too long with only one color. So that was the last part for the diamond hot end setup, how you adjust your stuff, how you print my diamond hot end holder. You can download it at Thingiverse, don't forget it. I'm really sorry that it takes me a lot of time to get the whole video uploaded, because I have to fiddle around with a cutting program the first time, and serious stuff goes on here. So maybe there are some other videos, and maybe I will run through the coding for the diamond hot end, and I hope you enjoy the whole series for this stuff, and peace out.